Let's build a risk management model and explore how some of the world's most successful traders, like Paul Tudor Jones, manage their risks. All files are listed in description below. Imagine starting with an initial capital of $1,000. We'll use a structured approach to manage risk and analyze how this capital can grow over a series of 100 trades. First, we define our risk management rules. We'll risk 1% to 2% of our capital on each trade. This means that if our trade goes against us, we only lose a small fraction. On the flip side, we'll aim for a 1-to-1 or 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio. So, for every dollar we risk, we'll aim to gain $2 to $3 in profit. Next, we'll factor in a realistic win rate. For this simulation, we'll use a 50% win rate. That means, on average, half of our trades will be winners and the other half will be losers. Each trade outcome will be determined randomly to simulate real-life trading conditions. As we progress, we'll keep track of our capital growth, noting how it fluctuates with each win and loss. We'll also monitor the highest peaks and the lowest troughs in our capital to calculate drawdowns, an essential metric that shows us how much our capital has fallen from its highest point before recovering. Then let's do some assumptions. We take 5 trades per week, 20 trades per month, and 240 trader per year. Let's do the simulation for a year. We can see changing the independent variables gives us different results. By the end of this simulation, we'll have a clearer understanding of how disciplined risk management and a consistent trading strategy can influence our trading outcomes. Remember, the goal isn't just to win every trade, but to manage risk in a way that keeps us in the game for the long run. Now let's explore how some of the world's most successful traders trade models and how we can apply these principles to our own risk management model. If you learned something, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. See you from another video. Happy trading!